Transform passive designs into interactive storytelling. Export your Figma designs to Arcade and create engaging, on-brand demos. Arcade is an interactive demo platform that lets teams create beautiful demos in minutes. With Arcade's Figma plugin, you can turn static designs into interactive, clickable demos, enabling faster feedback, better collaboration, and more engaging product storytelling. Let's learn more about this new plugin. Let's start by learning how to install the plugin. First, access the drop-down menu by right-clicking on your Figma canvas, then select Plugins and click on Manage Plugins. When you open the manager, search for the Arcade software plugin, then click on the blue button to run it. From here, you can also save it for easier access later. Now let's learn how to use the plugin. Once you run the plugin, you can select the frames of your prototype that will be part of your Arcade demo. You can opt to use Magic Hotspots to let the plugin create hotspots intelligently based on your prototype, and also export the Figma frames in a bigger scale to support higher density displays. Once your frames are imported into Arcade, you can edit your demo as usual by adding hotspots, callouts, chapters, and more. Check this video to learn more about editing Arcades. Finally, let's explore some use cases. This plugin is built for designers, marketers, and product teams that need to showcase product functionality and design in an interactive way. It is ideal for design reviews, gathering customer feedback on new features, product launches, and customer demos. With the Figma plugin now, you have tools to deliver engaging, personalized experiences that convert. Visit arcade.software and bring you design to life today.